Shawn Kotchey here, Mill Creek Valley Game Calls. We're going to talk today about the Widowmaker. This mouth call, what I like about it, it's a bat wing. You have two reeds of prof, red prof underneath of it. Top layer is 3/1000 of latex. Some of the things you can do with it. Do your soft calling. And you can get a little bit louder. You're cutting, and then you can do a nice yelp off of it. And that's your Black Widow, Mill Creek Valley Game Calls.